Asian carp, round goby,
Eurasian milfoil, purple loosestrife,
zebra mussels,
curly pondweed,
Eurasian roofie, alewife,
and reed canary grass.
All of these are invasive species that have a dramatic effect on the environment, especially the Great Lakes.
What is an invasive species?
An invasive species is an animal or plant that is a danger to habitats and other species. What makes something an invasive species? First, an animal must be able to reproduce. Then it becomes a species. Then, after the species migrates to an area, it can have an effect on native organisms. Examples would include the fish, a reef, human health, or more.
Why are invasive species so dangerous?
Well, first, they compete with native organisms, either eating them or their diets. Second, most invasive species reproduce very fast. Asian carp, an invasive fish, can produce up to 1 million fish eggs in a lifetime.
Invasive species can move around and migrate quickly. They are also very dangerous to native habitats. Invasive plants can completely destroy native plant habitats, destroying some of the only parts of Chicago and other cities that don't have a lot of green left.
What can we do to stop Asian carp and other invasive species from destroying our native habitats?
The first step you can take is learning to identify them. That way you will know what to do when you see one.
The second step you can take is educating others. The more people who know about the danger of invasive species, the more who can help.
The third step is to volunteer. There are different organizations where you can volunteer to help weed invasive plants and replant native ones. This helps out the environment a ton.
Overall, invasive species are dangerous to us and the environment.
They cannot be tolerated any longer in our community.
With your help,
we can try and put them to an end.